So SES is one of the largest satellite operators of the world. Can you tell me something more about your company and of the importance of technology to your company?
SES is, with 43 satellites under operation, one of the largest satellite operators worldwide. Obviously, we have not been as big as the beginning, and by the way, our beginning has been simultaneous to the one of Newtec. So SES has also been founded 25 years ago, and we just celebrated our 25th anniversary a couple of weeks ago. So at the beginning of SES, technology was the key for the success of the company. We launched direct-to-home television in Europe. We pioneered direct-to-home television in Europe. And this was based on a very innovative concept using a satellite technology that had not been used so far for direct-to-home television. So the success of SES is really due to a very innovative technology approach, obviously combined with very strong marketing and customer relationship. But technology is definitely at the heart of the history of our company.
What's the first thing you think of when you hear the name Newtec?
What is in the name, and maybe the name is a program. So Newtec obviously means new, so meaning innovation, and tech meaning technology, so innovation and technology. And from that respect, I consider that Newtec's philosophy and approach is not so different from ours. So I think about innovation, about a company that's very innovative. We launched together as partners in the mid-90s digital television on satellite, where the digital modulators were developed by Newtec. So at the very early stage, basically 17 years before analog television will now be switched off in 2012, we already worked together on the launch of digital. And the second innovative product that our two companies are using together as a partner is the SAT triple play, which is used in order to bring broadband by satellite to the homes in Europe and beyond Europe. So two very innovative concepts. So for me, Newtec really means innovation and technology in satellite communications.
Yeah. So SES, as one of the largest satellite operators in the world, is also celebrating its 25th anniversary. Over the years, Newtec and SES have been increasingly doing business together. Can you describe the fit between our mutual companies that have led to this partnership?
Yeah, I think it's a very obvious complementarity between what we are doing. So SES is focusing on operating satellite infrastructure, meaning satellites in space. So we are very much focused on space technology, on making satellite capacity available to our customers. Whereas Newtec is developing very important components of the ground segment, so the terrestrial part of the solution, and as satellite communications need to marry space and ground. So it's a nice marriage between SES and Newtec. And we have also one other commonality, which is that neither Newtec nor SES has ever competed with our customers. So I think that's also a very commonality, that we always have continued to occupy the same place in the value chain, and that we avoided to create problems by starting competing ourselves with our customers.
Mm-hmm. SES is using Newtec's technology in its very successful Astra 2 Connect broadband over satellite service. The service and technology brings broadband telephony and TV services to end user deprived from connectivity. But what does this service and technology really mean for people and regions deprived from broadband connectivity?
Yeah, so this what Newtec is calling SAT triple play, and what we at SES are calling Astra 2 Connect, but it's the same product that we have developed in partnership. So today it's allowing us to serve 65,000 subscribers who are living mainly in remote areas, so in regions where there is no terrestrial broadband coverage. And these 65,000 people are connected to the internet at high speed because of that technology. But it doesn't stop there, because together we are also currently planning to extend the product into Africa, into Middle East, and we have also discussions with potential partners for Latin America, where the product would also help to have these emerging markets becoming connected to the internet. And also beyond the residential user, there are also some industry companies, like for example in the oil industry or in the energy industry, where they are using this technology in order to connect their equipment to their headquarters and to transmit data between their different sites. So this cooperation is helping really to bring internet to the people, but also to enterprises.
Newtec likes to say that at least 2 billion people can watch TV images thanks to Newtec technology transmitted over satellites. Nowadays, many video transmissions are being viewed over terrestrial networks like cable or DSL infrastructures, but also increasingly the internet. What do you consider the future of satellite video broadcasting?
Yeah, so we spoke before about residential broadband via satellite, and whereas I believe that this product is more of a niche product because terrestrial solutions will develop and will become much more competitive in the future, also in the remote areas. So I see that this product will more be of a product limited in time, at least in the developed countries, whereas in the emerging countries we discussed before, this will remain a solution also for the long term. But when you ask the question about video broadcasting, that's really taking advantage of the strength of satellite, which is to broadcast the same television programs to millions, to 10 millions, to hundreds of millions of homes. And so satellites can do this so efficiently that I'm not worried about the future of satellite broadcasting. Even with the strong development of terrestrial broadband networks, satellite broadcasting will always continue to be a very strong offer in the market. And so we normally will have a nice and long future ahead of us.
What would be your happy birthday wishes to Newtec?
Yeah, that Newtec should continue, obviously that we will continue our partnership, number one. Number two, that Newtec should continue to be as innovative as they have been in the past, and that they should continue to focus on satellite solutions. And as I said before, also that they should avoid to go down the value chain and start competing with their customers. So basically continue what you have done over the last 25 years, and the future will be brilliant.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.